From ancient civilizations to modern holistic practices, the pursuit of vitality and well-being has led us to explore natural ingredients. Among these treasures lies a powerful elixir, a blend of olive oil, lemon, and honey. This trifecta unlocks a symphony of health benefits. Olive oil nourishes our bodies, lemon invigorates our senses, and honey heals and soothes. Together they form a holistic remedy promoting wellness. Your journey towards well-being starts with a spoonful. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is revered for its remarkable health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it helps lower bad cholesterol levels. These healthy fats also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is a boon for the skin. Its abundance of antioxidants fights free radicals that cause premature aging. These antioxidants protect the skin from damage. Olive oil's moisturizing properties are equally impressive. It penetrates deeply, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. Embrace the healing touch of olive oil, a gift from nature. Lemon, with its vibrant color and refreshing aroma, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, crucial for a robust immune system. Vitamin C helps in the production of white blood cells, the body's defense against infections. Regular consumption of lemon can bolster your immune system, helping you ward off common colds and flu. Lemon also aids digestion by stimulating bile production in the liver. It's a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins and purifying the urinary tract. Embrace the zesty goodness of lemon, a gift from nature that invigorates your senses and strengthens your body's defenses. Honey, a treasure trove of nature's goodness, has been cherished for its remarkable healing properties for centuries. Its potent antibacterial and antimicrobial properties make it a natural remedy for soothing sore throats and fighting infections. Raw honey, in particular, contains enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, a natural antiseptic. Beyond its antibacterial prowess, honey is a potent antioxidant. It contains a variety of flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. These antioxidants protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and contribute to overall well-being. Honey's benefits extend beyond internal healing. When applied topically, honey's antibacterial properties can help heal wounds and burns. It creates a protective barrier over the affected area, preventing infections and promoting faster healing. Honey is also a natural humectant, attracting and retaining moisture. This makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and hydrated. Embrace the golden nectar of health, a gift from nature's pharmacy. From soothing sore throats to promoting wound healing, honey's versatility knows no bounds. Incorporate this liquid gold into your diet and experience the sweet taste of well-being. Let honey be your partner in your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 5. A trio of digestive might. When combined, olive oil, lemon, and honey transform into a digestive powerhouse, each ingredient working synergistically to alleviate digestive discomfort and promote gut health. Olive oil's healthy fats lubricate the digestive tract, easing the passage of food and preventing constipation. Its anti-inflammatory properties further soothe the gut, reducing inflammation and promoting regularity. Lemon juice acts as a digestive stimulant, encouraging the production of digestive juices that break down food more efficiently. Its citric acid content helps balance the stomach's pH levels, creating an environment conducive to optimal digestion. This reduces bloating, gas, and indigestion, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. Honey, with its prebiotic properties, nourishes the beneficial bacteria residing in the gut. These probiotics play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By fostering a healthy gut microbiome, honey contributes to overall digestive well-being. Together, this potent trio tackles digestive issues on multiple fronts. Whether you experience occasional constipation, bloating, or indigestion, this natural remedy offers a gentle yet effective solution. Embrace the power of this digestive elixir and unlock the path to a happier, healthier gut. Section 6. Detoxification. Delight. Cleansing with nature's finest. Beyond their individual benefits, the combination of olive oil, lemon, and honey creates a powerful synergy that enhances the body's natural detoxification processes. Olive oil's antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and supporting the liver's detoxification pathways. Lemon acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and flushing out toxins accumulated in the body. Its citric acid content also stimulates the liver's enzyme production, further aiding in the breakdown and elimination of waste products. This cleansing effect helps purify the body, promoting optimal organ function. Honey, with its rich enzyme content, supports the liver's detoxification processes. These enzymes aid in breaking down toxins, making them easier for the body to eliminate. Honey's prebiotic properties also contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in detoxification. This potent trio works in perfect harmony to support the body's natural cleansing mechanisms. By incorporating this detoxifying elixir into your routine, you can aid your body in eliminating toxins, promoting overall well-being, and feeling lighter and more energized. Section 7. Radiant Skin from Within and Without. The remarkable benefits of olive oil, lemon and honey extend beyond internal health, transforming your skin and revealing a radiant glow. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, fights free radical damage, protecting the skin from premature aging caused by sun exposure and pollution. Its moisturizing properties penetrate deeply, leaving the skin feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. Lemon, a natural source of vitamin C, plays a vital role in collagen production, the protein responsible for skin elasticity and firmness. Its astringent properties help tighten pores, reducing the appearance of blemishes and promoting a more even skin tone. Honey, a natural humectant, attracts and retains moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Its antibacterial properties help combat acne-causing bacteria, reducing breakouts and promoting clearer skin. Honey also contains enzymes that gently exfoliate, revealing a brighter complexion. This potent trio, when combined, creates a natural beauty elixir that nourishes and revitalizes the skin from within and without. Embrace the power of nature's bounty and unlock the secret to radiant, healthy skin that glows with vitality. Creating your own olive oil, lemon and honey elixir is simple. Start with a tablespoon of cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil, add the juice of half a lemon, and stir in a teaspoon of raw, organic honey. Tailor the recipe to your preferences. Add more lemon for a tangy flavor. Adjust honey for sweetness. Enjoy it in the morning for a revitalizing start, or as a soothing bedtime ritual. The beauty of this blend lies in its simplicity and versatility. Incorporating the olive oil, lemon and honey blend into your morning routine can set the tone for a healthier, more energized day. Consuming this elixir on an empty stomach stimulates digestion, kickstarts metabolism, and provides a gentle energy boost to power through your morning. The lemon juice in the blend acts as a natural digestive, promoting the production of bile and aiding in the breakdown of food. Olive oil's healthy fats provide sustained energy, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing mid-morning energy slumps. Honey's natural sugars offer a quick source of energy, revitalizing your mind and body. Beyond its physical benefits, this morning ritual can be a moment of mindful self-care. The act of preparing the blend, combining the ingredients and savoring the flavors allows for a pause in your busy schedule, promoting a sense of grounding and intention. Start your day with intention and nourish your body with this potent elixir. Embrace the revitalizing power of olive oil, lemon and honey, and experience the transformative effects on your energy levels and overall well-being. Section 10. Evening Elixir, winding down with nature's goodness. As the day winds down, the olive oil, lemon and honey blend transforms into a soothing elixir that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Consuming this blend before bed can calm the mind, ease digestion, and prepare your body for a night of restorative slumber. Honey's natural sugars trigger the release of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Its calming properties help soothe the mind, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of tranquility. Olive oil's healthy fats contribute to feelings of satiety, preventing late-night cravings that can disrupt sleep. Lemon's digestive benefits continue to work their magic even as you sleep, aiding in the breakdown of food and preventing indigestion. Its calming aroma can also promote relaxation, easing you into a peaceful night's rest. Embrace the soothing embrace of this evening elixir and allow nature's goodness to lull you into a restful slumber. Wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace the day ahead. Section 11. A word of caution. Moderation is key. While the olive oil, lemon and honey blend offers a plethora of health benefits, It's essential to consume it in moderation. Excessive consumption of olive oil, although a healthy fat, can contribute to calorie surplus and potential weight gain. Lemon, due to its citric acid content, can erode tooth enamel with excessive consumption. It's advisable to rinse your mouth with water after consuming the blend or use a straw to minimize contact with teeth. Honey, while a natural sweetener, is still sugar and should be consumed in moderation, especially for individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their sugar intake. Listen to your body and adjust the quantity based on your individual needs and tolerance levels. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Section 12. Listen to your body, the ultimate guide. While general recommendations provide a starting point, the key to experiencing the full benefits of the olive oil, lemon, and honey blend lies in listening to your body's unique responses. Pay attention to how you feel after consuming the blend. If you experience any digestive discomfort such as bloating or diarrhea, reduce the quantity or frequency of consumption. Conversely, if you find the blend beneficial and well tolerated, you can gradually increase the quantity or frequency based on your body's cues. Remember, each individual is unique, and what works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. Trust your intuition and adjust the consumption accordingly. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating this blend into your routine. Section 13. Embrace the magic. A journey towards holistic well-being. The olive oil, lemon, and honey blend is more than just a combination of ingredients. It's a testament to the power of natural remedies and a holistic approach to well-being. It encourages us to reconnect with nature's bounty and harness its potent healing properties. As you embark on this journey of incorporating this elixir into your routine, remember that true well-being encompasses physical, mental, and emotional health. Embrace a balanced lifestyle that includes a nutritious diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and mindful practices. The olive oil, lemon, and honey blend can be a delicious addition to this holistic approach, supporting your body's natural healing capabilities and promoting overall vitality. Embrace the journey, listen to your body's wisdom, and unlock the magic of this potent elixir.